6 landing page optimization tactics to lower your Google Ads cost per click while boosting your return on ad spend. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Mo Paid Media YouTube channel. My name is Maury, and in this video, I want to quickly go over the 6 landing page optimization tactics to help you get the most out of your Google ad campaign. So with that being said, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is designed to talk all things about paid media, paid search from the beginner's level. So if you are aspiring to be a paid media strategist or a paid media specialist, this is a good channel to start out with. If you are a local business owner and you're looking for somebody to help you with your Google ads, then feel free to schedule a free discovery call, 30-minute discovery call with me. I will ask you a series of questions pretty much about what your business is about and how I can help you get the most out of your Google ad campaigns. I specialize in Google ads as well as Facebook ads and paid media plans. So with that being said, I won't waste too much of your time. Let's go ahead and get into it. I only have 15 minutes to make these videos. So yeah. Okay. So today's competition, in today's competitive ad landscape, running profitable Google ad campaigns isn't just about targeting the right keywords or setting the perfect bid. One of the most powerful yet overlooked levels for reducing your cost per click is right underneath your nose, which is your landing page. Okay, so if you don't have a landing page, not the end of the world. But if you are running Google ads and you don't have a landing page, I would definitely recommend getting one built out for you. Okay, so whether if you're a small business owner trying to stretch your marketing dollars, or a performance marketer wanting to optimize for efficiency at a scale, your landing page plays a massive role in how much you pay for each click. Okay, so why? Well, because Google Ad rewards advertisers who deliver a high quality user experience, and your landing page is the major part of that experience. So there's much more than just giving clicks, right? You want to make sure that your audience is getting the best experience, as smooth and as efficient and as fast as possible. Okay, so this guide will break down why landing page optimization matters in Google ads and how it impacts your quality score. So we have 6 proven strategies that will help you lower your cost per click and increase your conversions and improve your return on ad spend. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right. I want to answer the question why landing page matters for cost per click. Well, before diving into the tactics, let's quickly define why your landing page can make or break your ad performance. So when you launch a campaign in Google Ads, your ad gets assigned a quality score. I've went over the quality score before. Should be in my playlist as far as for Facebook, but I will do my best to list or link the video either in the cards or in the description. But quality score is crucial, guys. So this score is influenced by your ad relevance, your expected click-through rate, and your landing page. So a higher quality score can lead to a lower cost per click, which is often by 20 to 50%, which is huge. And it can also lead to a better ad placement as well as higher impression shares and conversion rates. So, controversially, a poor landing page experience can send your cost per click skyrocketing. So in some cases, by 100% or more. So even if your ads and keywords are perfectly matched, you need to make sure you have a well written out landing page. Okay? All right. So what should you exactly do to improve your landing page experience? Well, number one, you should make your landing page relevant to the search query. Okay? So Google Ads, favors relevance above everything else. So if your landing page if your landing page content does not align with the user intent, then your quality score, number one, will suffer, and your budget will suffer as well. Okay, so here's how to fix it. You need to map each landing page to a specific keyword or a keyword group, and then from there you should segment your keywords into informational, commercial, or transactional buckets. Okay, I've went over the different types of search intent keywords for example, informational, commercial, and transactional. I went over that in another video. It's in the playlist, but super important. You also want to match the messaging and the offer on your page to the user's stage in the buyer's journey. The buyer's journey is so important. You may have heard like the marketing funnel, whatever, or the consumer or customer's journey. It's all pretty much the same, but essentially it's what stage they're at. Okay? So for instance, when someone's looking up, for example, how to choose a good camera, they are normally looking for educational content. They're not necessarily looking to they're not necessarily looking to be on somebody's checkout page, right? So as a result, a smart move would be to serve them buyer's guides or free ebooks that would be far more relevant and rewarding with a better quality score. So just a little pro tip, even small how can I put it? A pro tip, even small mismatches. So like sending a user to a email automation tool or to a generic marketing solution page, that can actually lower your score and raise your cost per click. So you have to be super strategic when you're doing these things. Okay? You want to make the copy all about the visitor, not about you. Okay? Most advertisers talk too much about themselves, our product, our features, our success story, right? But a great landing page flips the script. So instead of talking about yourself, you should talk about the visitor. Talk about them, okay? What problems are they facing? What keeps them up at night? What would make their life feel easier? So you want to make sure you're using emotionally charged copywriting techniques, okay? Something to really keep in mind, guys. So for example, you can use emotional triggers like sadness, anxiety, frustration. You also want to use mirror language, so you can use phrases that your audience says in the search or in reviews. So that increases the familiarity and trust, okay? Number 3, you want to make sure that you're laser focused on one offer, okay? So many landing pages fail because they try to do too much. A good landing page has one clear purpose and a single call to action. So avoid multiple offers on the same page. The competing buttons like learn more, subscribe, and contact us. You don't need all those buttons all at once. Instead, you want to have one objective, which could be to collect a lead or sell a product or schedule a call. You also want to make the call to action impossible to miss. You want to also remove anything that doesn't support the conversion goal. So this one singular force or focus not only can improve your conversion rate, but it can also signal a higher quality user experience to Google, which will bring down your cost per click over time. Number 4, you want to build trust. Super important to build trust. So you can do this through social proof. So social proof and transparency, because users are normally skeptical and they have every right to be. So before they buy, download, or give up their email, they want proof that you're credible and that you're safe to trust. So a good way to build trust is you can use customer testimonies, star ratings, and real reviews. There's so many different things that you can do. You want to make sure that you clearly explain who you are and what you do. So trust signals doesn't just improve conversion, but it also helps reduce bounce rate, right? Bounce rate is when somebody quickly leaves your website. So as a result, it can improve them staying there longer, and Google will interpret this as a positive landing page experience, which, again, helps your quality score. All right. Number 5, please design your page like it's 2025. You can hire freelancers to do this too, guys. I've done a lot of audits for different local businesses, and a lot of them don't have up-to-date landing pages. They look awful. So if your landing page looks like it was built on WordPress in 2010, right? Users will leave fast. So poor design equals poor experience and lower quality. And this really is super, super important. Again, I come across so many bad landing pages. So you want to make sure that it's modern. You want to make it clean. You want to make it minimal but effective. And please make sure that it's mobile friendly and mobile fast. You want to make sure that it's structured content with clear headlines. And I can leave some links in the description to landing page tools like Ubounce, Webflow, and Lead Pages. These often offer proven templates that are good, okay? All right. Number 6, you want to improve your landing page speed, because seconds equal money. So speed is the performance killer. According to Google, over 50% of mobile users leave the site. So your landing page should take no more than 3 seconds to load. Okay? If it loads any slower or any longer than 3 seconds, people, number 1, they're more likely to leave your page quickly, and they're more likely to not trust you. All right? So, I only have a couple more minutes or a couple more seconds, but I do want to say that that having a great landing page really, really is a win-win for everybody, for Google, for you, for your clients. So just keep that in mind. If you're looking for somebody to help you optimize your landing page, feel free to book a 30-minute discovery call with me. I can do a landing page audit and look at how your landing page performs and give you a free report. Just let me know. And with that being said, thank you for watching. Peace.